Want to increase your LinkedIn presence a bit more, be it at an individual level or for your business? I have something that's can help you do just that. My name is Andron Mendes. Welcome to another series of LinkedIn hacks. In today's video, I want to walk you through one of the latest features that LinkedIn has just dropped, which will kind of help you to organically grow your audience and reach out to more folks, help your business or individually reach out to more folks on LinkedIn. So if you haven't already done this, please follow or subscribe to this channel. We'll be having a lot more marketing and LinkedIn hacks in coming days. All right, so let's dive right into it. So this new feature that LinkedIn has recently shipped out is the newsletter feature. Most of you might have used it. Some of you might have been eligible in terms of accounts, but this is one feature that's dropped out for both businesses and individuals, and this is one of the organic ways to reach more people. Now, I've been trying and testing out this feature a lot. As you can see, I've started this newsletter called as Frying Pan Academy. It's just 3 weeks old. As you can see, 3 weeks ago was the first content that I published. We've already around 1,000 subscribers here, and it's growing pretty organically. One of the good things that I like about it is that this is a new feature, and I'm hoping that there's more to come, which also means that if you jump into it right now, it's a good time because it's a new feature. If you start using it, LinkedIn will push your profile and your content to more people. So it's a good time to start using it because it's a new feature. Now, I'm yet to figure out the how exactly the subscriber scale, numbers work, but because there's limited analytics that's available to you right now. Other than the analytics, it's available for individual newsletters. So once you publish, of course, you have these stats in front of you that's available, which kind of gives you an idea of the kind of profile of people that's come in. So as you can see, 505 impression, and you can see the kind of job titles that who looked at your articles. You can look at locations where they're coming from. So interesting data there. You can also see companies. So if you are someone who's looking to target certain companies, now again, same data is available for companies as well and not just individuals. So it's really cool feature to try out if you haven't already done it. So it's just like creating any other newsletter or email campaign, but essentially it's like a condensed form of a blog, in my opinion. Now, what I like about this thing, in terms of, it's not just another newsletter that's published on LinkedIn. All right. What I like about this is that every time you publish it, your subscriber gets an email notification as well. So as you can see, you get an email. Every subscriber get an email with the newsletter being published, and you can read it on LinkedIn. So this is a really cool feature as far as LinkedIn is considered. What it's doing is it's pulling more people back into LinkedIn. So it's very cool feature for LinkedIn. For you, of course, it's a new way to reach more people, create a subscription base, and do all the magic around it. Now, of course, the tacky thing is it doesn't really give you data around what do you call email address or contact details of subscribers. As in, the only real information you have about subscribers is when you click on subscribers, you know who those subscribers are, but you can't export that outside LinkedIn or use it outside LinkedIn. But within LinkedIn, this is really interesting space to increase your organic reach, especially for companies. You can publish newsletter and reach out to subscribers. So it's a really organic way to increase your LinkedIn presence. If you haven't already done this, I suggest you start doing it. All right, so that's it from my end today, folks. So give it a shot. If you have any questions in terms of using the newsletter, hit me up. Hit there, right? Put any questions you have on comments, and I'll be happy to help. Again, subscribe and follow to the channel for more actionable tips and interesting insights around marketing and LinkedIn hacks. All right, until I see you next time, guys. Ciao. Bye.